Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11 to create a new drive. What I have to do here? Let me show you. Yes, from my Windows 10 or Windows 11, I just opened my computer. So this is my computer, this is my PC. So I have only one partition, that is C drive. I just want to add additional drive, that is D drive. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. Just go to start menu and just type a run option. Once you click a run, the run will be open like a pop-up option as you see here. So just type a disk mgmt.msc. I have given the description link. Just copy and paste it in the run option and just click OK. Once I click OK, automatically the disk management will be open here as you see here. So this is a C drive, so C drive will be there. So you can able to see this one is a C drive, has around 237 GB. So I just want to divide into a C drive as well as a D drive. So what I have to do here? So this is a healthy drive, is 100 MB and 530 MB will be the recovery partition. Don't touch this one. Only the C drive I just want to divide a 237 GB into a 50 GB for D drive. What I have to do here? So on your C drive, just right click on that and you will find a shrink volume over there. Just hit the button shrink volume. Automatically it will open like a pop-up, that is queuing shrinking space. So it will divide a 2 space. Just wait for a minute, you can able to get a pop-up. As you see here, so total size before the 243 and 550. So I just want to divide this one into a 100 GB or 50 GB. What I have to do here? So just go to calculator and calculate. So 50 GB into a MB format. So 50 into 1024. This is a MB. So 1 GB means 1024 MB. So just equal into 51200, that is 50 GB. So 51200 MB I need, that is 50 GB for a D drive. So just click here to shrink. Automatically it will divide into a D drive. Simple and easiest way you can do with yourself as you see here. So 50 GB unallocated space will be there. I just want to close this calculator. I just want to show this one. So C drive is here. So D drive I'm going to create now. So now the black space will be a unallocated place. What I have to do here? Just right click on that and you will click a new simple volume over here. So welcome to the new simple volume. Just click a next option and this is a 50 GB. Just click a next option. This will assign into a D drive. You can choose whatever drive you want. So I just select D drive and just click here next and NTFS format and just click here next and finish means within a second my drive will be created over here. As you see here, the drive is created, 50 GB volume is there. So this is a simple and easiest way to divide or partition your drive from C drive to D drive. So simple way you can use and share with your friends. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.